What's happening, fellas? This is my XR650L. Junior's got the hopped up one. This is the 30 rear wheel horsepower stock one. And it's got basically an FMF power core silencer. It's got a K&N filter, a dyno jet kit in the carb, and the smog kit's been removed for it. So it's just set up for stage one. Let's see what we should do. This new Dragy, D-R-A-G-Y, what this does is it tells you your 0 to 30, 0 to 60 times, your eighth mile times, quarter mile times. It tracks it all on the screen so I can share with you guys. And we're going to try Junior's bike next and see how much faster the built one is than this. So let's see what she'll do. Okay, we also tracked our 60 to 0. So let's see what she did and tell me what you guys think. Let me know if you want us to start recording the 0 to 60 times on all the dirt bikes, street bikes, Harleys, everything else. Thought it's a cool tool. It's pretty easy to use. All you got to do is go to Dragy's website, buy this. It magnets right on your tank right here. This little magnet, it sits right there. As long as it has access to 5 satellites, you download the app on your phone. It's super easy to use, and you can share it on social media. Pretty cool, huh? Thanks for watching. God bless America.